Big Sam here, Bigsamsfstops, and welcome back to my channel. Must first of all apologize for not having been with you for quite a while. There's been a lot of work going on and a whole bunch of stuff that have kept me away from doing what I love doing a lot, which is shooting videos and taking pictures, basically. And well, recently, after so much stress at work, I decided to take a holiday, and I'm in the beautiful city of Dubai, where I came to go on a photography holiday. And over the next 3-4 series, I'm going to be giving you different aspects of what I was doing while I was here. In this first series, I went over to shoot the Dubai Creek Marina. Actually, I'd intended to go to the harbor, the Dubai Creek harbor, but my taxi driver mistakenly brought me to the Dubai Creek Marina. So I just figured, hey, I'm here, might as well just make the best of it. And I went out there, got some really good shots of the marina and the environment. And rather than boring you with a lot of talk, I'm just going to leave you to run through the pictures, and I hope that you like them. Don't forget to like, share, make a comment, and I'll be glad if you can hit the subscribe button also. This is Big Sam at Bigsamsfstops. Thank you very much. Well, I hope you like those. Thank you for spending 5-6 minutes of your time with me. I look forward to uploading the next video, and I hope you like them also. But in the meantime, you stay safe and God bless you.